85, I'm turning on North Jefferson Avenue.
10-4. Dispatch, car 20. We're stopped at Polk Street, Chapels Highway.
10-4.
Go ahead, step out for me, man. Step out for me.
Can I reach for my seat?
Step out for me. Come on back here to my car. What are you doing?
I'm going to some light. I'm not finna pull up.
Step right here. You're on the main highway, man. Turn around and face me. All right, you turned off on me earlier on Chapels Highway, okay? I know that was you.
What?
Okay, you passed me going 78 miles an hour.
I don't think that was me.
That was you, okay? You're kind of pissing me off right now because you know what you're doing. You're a grown man. You're on the main highway coming in Saluda County from Newberry.
I'm not from Newberry. I'm coming from Clinton.
You're almost about to go to jail, okay?
How? I called a lady on the phone.
It doesn't matter. I don't care. We've been riding for 10 minutes now.
Sir, my mama told me not to pull over. When
No, you turned off on me. You were going almost 80 miles an hour down the road in a silver Dodge Charger. That was you.
Okay.
You saw me turn around on you, then you dipped off on me.
No, I turned like I was supposed to.
Turn where?
On the road.
So you were going 78 miles an hour?
No.
Yeah, you were. Go ahead and turn around for me. Turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You got his ID and everything?
I'm about to get it. So if you don't know where you are, or you're on a back road and you turn off on me on the road, that doesn't make any sense to me. So I don't believe anything you're telling me right now, so you're going to jail. Okay?
I'm going to jail
Yep.
for what?
You're going to jail for speeding. And for failure to stop for blue lights at this point.
Sir, I called her.
No, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Lean up against the vehicle.
No, I mean, you're going to be no safer than you ever will be riding with a police officer, and you have one right behind you.
Okay. Have a seat.
Can I call my mom?
No, you can't call anybody until you get to the jail. Have a seat. All the way in.
I'm all the way in.
Put your knee in.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Lift it up.
$87 substitute for?
67 one time.
Come on.
Yeah, he dipped off on me earlier.
He wasn't going to stop. I thought he was going to go around me right here.
Huh?
I said I thought he was going to run in front of my car.
Yeah, he was trying to go around. Is that what you said?
I thought he was going to.
Yeah, he dipped off on me on Chapels Highway. I mean, there wasn't no other silver Dodge Charger.
Yeah.
And he was going 80.
What's that?
I have no idea. God. Ugh.
Yeah, he tried
Hey.
to what?
I was just going to see if y'all wanted to, and then we'll just get out of the road and just open the road back up.
I'm not supposed to drive his car.
Yeah, we're fine. We'll be all right.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
That's one clear copy deal.
Go ahead.
The board comes back to you. Sorry, works 1928 Drayton Street.
Timber. Yeah, he thinks it matters if he calls. It doesn't matter.
We said it on the back road. He was on the South Carolina highway.
Oh, he threw something out somewhere.
Oh, it's in here. Locked in the box.
I did get keys.
There's keys right there.
Car key to fit it?
Yeah, I think so. You gotta pull it out. Yeah, that'll work.
Oh, you got it?
That's all that's in there? He threw something out. He had to have. Well, he did dip off on me, and I shot back up Chapels, but yeah, I think he's. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What the fuck is that? Not even dry. So you gotta test it and see.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out what this shit is.
On the hood?
Yeah.
What if you did that, try to throw it in front to avoid you from seeing it?
That looks smart. It looks like it's been wiped through one time. Tried to wipe it off.
Yeah, maybe. Almost like a bunch of bird poop.
Is it turning pink?
Did it? You're kidding me.
Turn pink, man.
What the hell?
Some cocaine, ain't it?
Like I said, you might have tried to throw it in front to poop.
Like, try to wipe it off. Go ask it what it is.
That's pretty fucking crazy.
So how you gonna play this?
I don't know. I'm about to call Dave and see. What's the white stuff on the front of your hood, man?
Bird shit.
Bird shit?
Yeah.
That ain't bird shit.
I promise you that's bird doo-doo.
I promise you it's not, though.
I swear to God that's bird doo-doo.
Well, I swear to God it's not, because I just tested it and that turned pink.
You can see it on the windshield.
That's not bird poop.
I swear to God that's bird doo-doo.
That's not bird poop.
I swear to
That's a
God.
lot of bird. That's a lot of bird shit, man.
I tried to clean it last night at the gas station. You can.
I can still wipe it off.
It's bird doo-doo.
Okay.
Like,
all right. Okay. All right.
what's it? What?
I don't. It just. Unless the bird inhaled cocaine, then. Hey. Okay. This Dodge Charger, it dipped off on me on Chapels Highway when I was coming down. It was going like 80, so I turned back around, shot, I guess, by it. He must have pulled off on me somewhere, but then I came back and I saw the same vehicle go by me again, so I got back around it. But he has got white stuff all over the front of his vehicle, and I just kind of I had a hunch, so I got me one of the field test kits, and I wiped it, and it's come, and my little cocaine field test kit is turning pink. Yeah, it's weird. And he's saying it's bird poop, but I don't believe anything he's telling me.
Dude, this had been an ostrich.
Yeah, I mean, he's saying it's bird poop. I mean, it's a fucking. If it was a bird, this thing was a damn. Yeah, like Brantley just says. I don't know. I think he must have threw it out at the front. It's 22. Yeah. Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
Miss Higgins, Colin.
But
Did you open the glove compartment?
Yeah.
Okay, nothing.
I'm not sure how to wipe all this stuff up, though. I'm not sure how to wipe this stuff up and, like, kind of contain it into evidence. Yeah, I'm not sure how to wipe it up, though. I don't know. He's saying it's bird poop, though, but it looks like little paint splotches, but it ain't bird poop. This ain't bird poop. It's white powder. It's a white powdery substance on the front of his fucking hood. So I don't. But I mean, clearly, yeah, he's not telling the truth on anything. So, but I think I got him under arrest for failure to stop for blue lights because I mean I was behind him for a good little ways. I mean, and speeding, and now the cocaine. I'm not sure how to package it up though. I want to like scrape it into a bag or something. Yeah, I mean it's weird. It's weird. I'm gonna send you a picture of it and show you. But yeah. For now, I mean I understand he called, but he called like way after, and he's just trying to get out of the stop, I guess. But he almost ran over Brantley. Brantley pulled in front of him, and he's trying to, I guess, get away. But that's what he tried to do on the first time. Yeah, he's got like a Georgia Southern. I reckon he plays for Georgia Southern. He's got gear all in here. Okay, all right, I'll do it. All right.
It's been wiped through.
Yeah, they probably had like a damn drug deal or something.
Really?
Let me this might not even do right.
It's amazing they gotta go to town right now.
Yeah. It might not work. Just shine it on it. Okay. Look at it turned pink. All that shit on the front of his car.
Look at that. They say it's bird shit.
They say it's bird shit, but he's fucking full of
This
shit.
way. As pink as that is.
Yeah. That's a first for me.
We're about to make some like the bird doo-doo case law or something.
Who's looking in the trunk with me?
I haven't even looked in the trunk yet. Yeah, let's take a peep in there. Yeah. You never know.
Oh, we got a Yeti. Hey, check that out. A cigar box? Oh, you know, okay.
That's some expensive stuff too, man.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, he's dealing dope, so it looks like cocaine. Nah.
Man, looks like he plays ball for Georgia Southern or something.
You got a thing for like quarterback scholarships.
He's about to do that shit out of luck. And car 8, car 20, I sent those pictures.
Seen it all?
Yeah, I know.
Careful.
Take some pictures real quick before I go to scraping it all up as much as I can. The judge gonna get a trip out of this. He's like, what? If anything, it'll be like a 1 in 1,000 case for these things to be faulty, but I don't think they just turn pink
I know.
out of nowhere.
I just don't.
Dave's looking at the pictures, he's coming back, and we're gonna figure out what to do with it.
Like you think they make it like, oh, bird poop does not test positive for cocaine. Like,
That'd be some bullshit. We have to do a test. We have to get like 1,000 birds and make them all take a
Like I
shit.
said, it looks like we're about to develop some new case law.
Yeah. We're gonna be on the next legal update.
Yeah.
somehow.
Yeah, I'm gonna scrape it up with this property chip thing to the best of my ability.
You can like hold it up the inside there.
I'm gonna have to put it in this little evidence bag. I'm gonna take it back and put it in a plastic bag.
Yeah.
Oh, but I'm gonna put it in a heat sealed pouch,
Yeah.
and then put it into a biscuit.
Yeah, more piece of paper to fold it up in there better.
Yes, sir.
I don't imagine you're gonna be able to get much.
It is very weird. I took a picture of of the field test kit. It did. I mean, it's pink as could be. It's pink as could be. I mean, it's freaking me out. Is what it's, because I stuck my finger in it. Yeah, it's like, I think he said he tried to wipe it up last night, but I think they might have had something going on last night or wherever he's from, and deal gone wrong, or hell, he might not even know about it. Yeah, I know, it's weird. Yeah, I'd have been done, washed it off. And you don't just randomly ride behind a coke dealer coming down the road, so. I mean, the only thing I'm gonna try and scoop it up into a bag, and I mean, I'm just gonna charge him with a failure to stop for blue lights. I'm just gonna add in the fact that he has drug residue on the front of his vehicle. Right. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna wipe it up, and I guess I could take it back and weigh it, you know. I mean, it's as much as I can, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna talk to him. I'm gonna scoop all this stuff up first. I'm gonna talk to him. Right. Okay. So you on the way? You on the way? Oh, okay, all right. Yeah, I at least want you to look at it. I mean, this is a first for me, so. All right. Bye. All right, man. I don't know what you got going on in your life or whatever, but I mean, that's a field test kit. It's distributed to us by the state. I mean, if it turns pink or blue, that means it's positive for cocaine. It don't just turn positive out of nowhere.
Shit.
That's not bird shit, okay?
I swear to God.
It looks nothing like bird poop, man. We know what bird poop looks like. Bird poop's small.
Can I tell you something? That's bird shit.
That's a lot of bird.
I pulled over last night to clean it off my car, and it didn't come off with the little thing that the.
That's a lot of bird poop, man.
It just spread it. Yeah, I mean, it was a lot.
It's like in spots, like all over the front of your
You can still see it in the driver's side little thing down by the hood. That's bird doo-doo.
It's all the way across your car. That's a big spread for bird poop.
You know the thing that you clean the windshield with that got water in it. That's what I tried to rub it off with that, and that's why it spread and it still didn't come off. So I just left it. It happened last night.
Okay. All right. Hang on a minute. Get him, read his Miranda rights before I talk to him any further. He's still saying it's bird poop. God, man. About to read him his rights. And I'm gonna try and scrape a pot. It field tested positive for cocaine. Like, I mean, did you look at it? Did you look at it? I mean, is that not pink? I mean, I popped it all clear, like it was brand new field test kit. So, Dave's on the way. I'm gonna read him his rights. I'm gonna tell him if he doesn't come clean, and I'm gonna scrape all that up. I'm gonna take it back to the office and weigh it. I mean, it might be like 10% cocaine, the rest of it fucking baby powder, or baking soda, or whatever the hell it is. But
How did he get on the wheel?
I don't know. He's making up shit, so I don't know. He could be telling the truth. It could be somebody else's cocaine, but it's on his car. He said he tried to wipe it up last night, and he didn't do a good job if that's the case. Alright, man, I'm going to tell you right now, okay? I'm going to go ahead and read you your rights, alright? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, won't be provided for you through the Public Defender's Office. Do you understand your rights? Mm-hmm. Okay. You wish to speak with me any further? No. No? Okay. Well, I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do right now, is I'm going to gather up all that stuff on the front as much as I can. It tested positive for cocaine. I mean, I don't know. I
have no reason to lie about cocaine. Like, I play football, so I don't do cocaine. I don't do.
Well, I'm not sure how.
I don't know.
It really doesn't make any sense as to why that's coming back positive for cocaine. So
exactly. I don't like. I just told you this bird pooping in front of my car.
The people in your neighborhood, do they deal cocaine? Do cocaine?
My grandma stayed in an apartment complex. I would hope nobody.
That's where you were at before this?
Yes.
Before you drove down the road here.
Right.
And you said you come from Clinton?
Right. Clinton Green Apartments.
Okay.
That's bird poop.
And that's a lot of bird poop, man.
I don't know what to say.
And then you chose not to stop, and you dipped off on me, and you did admit that.
Yeah, right. I turned. I didn't see you. I turned off, but I didn't see
you.
Where
were you going? You don't know that. You don't know this road.
I do know this. This is how I go to school.
Well, then you know this is a main highway. This is Highway 39. This is Chapel's Highway.
Can I talk? I was going to the store. Like, I'm not gonna pull over in the dark where nobody around can see. You know what's been going on in the world. And no offense to you, but I just didn't feel comfortable, officer. Like, I wasn't running.
No, okay.
I called a lady on the phone. I told her, can you please tell him I'm not running from the police? Can I just get to where somebody at? And I was gonna pull over. I was not running at all. I wasn't even. Like,
why'd you dip off on me?
What do you mean? I'm trying to find a way back to the road. Like, it's
you were on this. You were on this road.
This road right here, like the road that come off of Clinton is Cross Hill. Those two roads down there.
No, I'm not. No, you were on this road, and then you turned off on another road.
It's another road down there. Like that, you can go to the stop sign up here. You can turn left, and you can keep straight through the light, and it's a straight shot to my school.
So what made you come back out to Chapel's Highway?
Because I couldn't find the road.
It's because you dipped off on me. Okay. All right. That's enough. That's enough.
Okay.
See, he admitted to turning off on me.